If you're planning a trip to New York City, you need to know some of the common packing mistakes that I see travelers make. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 items you absolutely need to bring no matter the season, and 2 things you should probably actually leave at home. Let's get packing. First, and probably most important, is comfortable footwear. Everyone wants to dress well on vacation, especially New York, but you'll be much happier if your shoes are more comfortable and functional than stylish. You will likely take an average of 15 to 20,000 steps a day, which is roughly 7 to 10 miles. Even if you take a train, bike, or taxi to a lot of your destinations, you'll still end up walking more than you think. So bring athletic shoes and save the heels for your nicer evening plans if that's important to you. Second is a compact umbrella. New York City gets rain or snow roughly 35% of the year, and when it rains in New York, it often pours. The heaviest rain I've experienced in New York City was actually a warm August evening where the storm came out of absolutely nowhere and just dumped on us for hours. So no matter the season, bring a small, solid, compact umbrella. All right, third on your packing list is a portable charger. When you travel to New York City, you'll often leave your hotel early in the morning and may not come back until late at night. While you can find some plugs at coffee shops or restaurants, it's nice to have a portable charger that is reliable. This is especially important because most of the tickets to your events or Broadway shows are going to be on your phone. I always travel with this thin charger that has a built-in cord. It gives my phone about 1.5 full charges. They also sell a slightly bulkier version if you think you need more power. I'll link this in the video description. I absolutely love this charger. Number 4 is a portable water bottle. New York City's water has been called the champagne of water. It comes from the Catskills Mountains and it is delicious and very safe to drink. So instead of buying a $5 water bottle from a street vendor, bring your own reusable bottle that you can refill with New York City's delicious tap water. I love this collapsible bottle that I can easily clip onto a bag or fanny pack. Just pops open, fills up. And that leads to our final New York City packing essential, which is a good bag, preferably not a backpack. When you're out exploring most of the day, you're gonna want somewhere to put your water bottle, phone, portable charger, wallet, and other items. Since many venues discourage backpacks, I recommend using a fanny pack or some type of shoulder bag. You really probably don't need a huge bag, so prioritize something that's comfortable and easy to carry around. I have this Herschel shoulder bag that also works as a fanny pack. I have absolutely loved it. What about items not to bring? Here are 2 things to leave at home. The first thing is your pet. I love dogs more than just about anybody, but I would not travel to New York City with a pet. Even if you find an accommodating hotel, you can't bring your pet to Broadway shows, museums, or restaurants, so leave your pup at home. Second is expensive jewelry or excessive amounts of cash. You just won't need a ton of cash on hand. Even for cash-only spots, you're probably fine just bringing $100. And if you need more cash, there are ATMs at almost every corner. New York City is generally safe, but it's better to leave excessive amounts of cash or expensive jewelry at home so you don't draw unwanted attention to yourself. With this NYC packing list, you will be well prepared to make the most of your time in the city. Want more free resources? Our website offers curated Google Maps lists broken down by neighborhood and types of cuisine. We also offer a free transportation guide covering getting to and from the airports, hailing taxis, riding the subway, and everything you need to know. It's all completely free just by signing up for our newsletter. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this, and we'll see you on the next video.